Since 1963, Mitotec Precision has been an industry leader in complex precision machining. With our superior quality, metrology, and engineering support, we're able to assist our customers with cost-effective solutions for all of their new parts and programs. Our facility features 8 Tsugami CNC Swiss machining centers that are perfect for complex parts with a 1.5-inch maximum diameter. The Tsugamis can be run in Swiss mode with guide bushing or chucker mode without, which optimizes cycle times and allows for a more cost-effective solution for our customers. Depending on the machining center, our Tsugamis can hold up to 28 tools, with live tooling on the main and sub spindle. Also depending on the machining center, our Tsugamis are capable of machining on up to 9 axes and possess machining capabilities for your knurling, grooving, milling, flat, cross holes, ID drilling, threading, and boring needs. We hold tight tolerances and can handle medium and high volume parts. For more information, go to mitotecprecision.com, and remember, here at Mitotec, we make parts that matter.